Welcome to our informational video on affiliate marketing for beginners in 2023. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or build a full-time online business, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative and flexible option. Today, we'll guide you through the basics and give you valuable tips to get started. So let's dive in. Firstly, let's understand what affiliate marketing is. Simply put, it's a performance-based marketing model where individuals earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. Affiliates earn a percentage of each sale they drive through their unique referral link. It's a win-win situation for both the affiliate and the product owner. So how can beginners monetize affiliate marketing? There are various income streams to explore. The most common method is through product reviews, where you share your honest opinion and recommendations about products or services that you've personally tested. Another popular approach is creating niche-focused blogs or websites, where you provide valuable content related to a specific topic and promote relevant affiliate products within your content. Choosing the right niche is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. You want to select a niche that you're passionate about and where you can provide value to your target audience. Conduct thorough market research to identify niches with high demand but relatively fewer competitors. Remember, the more focused and specific your niche is, the easier it becomes to target and attract the right audience. Before diving into affiliate marketing, let's go through a comprehensive checklist for beginners to ensure you're fully prepared for success. Setting goals is essential in any venture. Define your short-term and long-term goals, such as the amount of income you want to generate or the number of subscribers you aim to acquire. Create a platform like a website or blog to establish your online presence. Learn about search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to ensure your content ranks well on search engines, driving organic traffic to your site. Building an email list allows you to engage with your audience more effectively. Lastly, utilize social media platforms to promote your content and reach a wider audience. Joining reputable affiliate programs is crucial for success. Look for programs that align with your niche and have a proven track record of fair commissions and timely payments. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Don't be afraid to reach out to product owners directly to negotiate better deals or explore personalized partnerships. Building trust and authenticity is vital in affiliate marketing. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate partnerships. Always provide honest and unbiased reviews, ensuring you genuinely believe in the products you promote. Building a loyal following takes time, but consistent value and authenticity will pay off in the long run. And that wraps up our video on affiliate marketing for beginners in 2023. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, patience, and continuous learning. So, equip yourself with knowledge, take action, and don't be afraid to adapt your strategies along the way. Good luck on your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you soon.